How do I promote YouTube videos with Google Ads? Good question. Now, a lot of people get confused with video ads or YouTube ads and Google ads. They're the same. You can only run video ads on YouTube through Google Ads. Google owns YouTube, and running ads on YouTube has to be done through Google Ads. So the first thing you want to do is to have a video, upload to your YouTube channel, link your YouTube channel to Google Ads, go into Google Ads and start setting up your video campaign. So this is how we do this. We go into our account, and then you go all campaigns. At the campaign level, click on the plus button, new campaign. Whatever your goal is, be it sales, leads, website traffic, you select, and then you select video over here. Now you are going to get the option to set up your video campaign. I'm not going to go through all of this, but what will happen is at the ad level over here where it says create your ad, so you need to obviously set up all these campaign name, bids, budgets, networks, etc., location, all of these. Once you've done all of these and the targeting as to who you wish to target, how you wish to target, then you go to your YouTube account, copy. Let me quickly do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go copy. I'm just picking up a random video from my channel, paste it, and then you will see that that video pops up. That's how the ad is going to look. You put in your final URL, the call to action, headline, long headline. So headline is up to 15 characters, long headline up to 90 characters, and the description, which is up to 70 characters. I would also highly recommend that you upload an image which is 300 by 60 pixels wide. So something like this is nice and simple, because they show up on the right hand side on the desktop. So your video is coming up before or during someone else's video. You have the call to action over here with your logo name, and the skip ad button is there. The headline will pop up over there as well. So if I say learn more, you can see that that button call to action has changed, and then it has changed over there as well. So even though somebody has skipped this ad after 5 seconds, that stays on for quite a while. So you are getting free branding. So I would highly recommend you do that. And then you put in your headline, whatever you want. It will show up over here, which is up to only 15 characters long. And put in the long headline, description, and create campaign.